Installation Guide for Floor-Mounted Axial Fans. Step 1. Measure and determine the placement of the fan and the duct system. Step 2. Pour the concrete base for fan installation. Step 3. Drill holes for anchor bolts and position the shock-absorbing springs. Step 4. Place the vibration-dampening springs or shock absorbers into position and tighten the expansion bolts to secure them. Step 5. Place the axial fan the type with a base-up pedestal into the predetermined position. Step 6. Install two nuts to secure the axial fan to the vibration-dampening springs. Step 7. Install two auxiliary flanges onto the two ends of the axial fan. Step 8. Install the flexible anti-vibration joint and the rain cap elbow onto the auxiliary flanges of the fan, along with the two duct reducer cones, and secure them using self-drilling screws or nuts and bolts. Step 9. Test run and inspect.